Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your math class. I hope you are fit and fine. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. In last class, I taught you about divisibility and divisibility rule for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. And the topic is divisibility. And divisibility rule for 8, 9, 10. Now let's start divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. If the last three digit of a number are divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. If the last three digits of a number are divisible by 8, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 8. Here we take an example. 5488. 5488. Look at here carefully. If the last three digit, it means that ones, tens and hundred place of digit. If the last three digit are divisible by 8, then we can say that the given number, it means that 5488 is also divisible by 8. But how? Now let's we check here. Firstly, we arrange the given number for division. 488 divided by 8. 488 divided by 8. Firstly, recall 8's table for getting 48. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32, 8 5 जा 40 and 8 6 जा 48. Yes, 8 6 जा 48. 6 write in question place and 48 under the dividend place. Subtracting these, we get 8 goes to 8 is 0, 4 goes to 4 is 0. Now again we just take 8 here, then again we recall its table for getting 8. 8 1 जा 8. Yes, 8 1 जा 8 and 8 goes to 8 is 0. Here we get 0. This is known as remainder. It means that here 488 is divisible by 8. Here we get 488 is divisible by 8. Then we can say that 5488 is divisible by 8 by rule of divisible by 8. Understand? Yes. If the last 3 digits of a given number are divisible by 8, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 8. Understand? Similarly, $6,568. 6,568 is divisible by 8. Now we can check here by rule of divisible by 8. $568 is divisible by 8. Let's we check here. Firstly, we arrange last 3 digit number for division. 568 divided by 8. Recall 8's table for getting 56. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24. Similarly, we recall tables. Then lastly we get 8 7 जा 56. Yes, 8 7 जा 56. 7 write in question place and 56 under the dividend. After subtracting these, we get 6 goes to 6 is 0, 5 goes to 5 is 0. Then again we just take 8 here, 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. After subtracting these, we get 8 goes to 8 is 0. Here we get also 0 as remainder. Look, it means that 568 is divisible by 8. Hence 568 is divisible by 8. Therefore we can say that 6568 is also divisible by 8. 6568 is also divisible by 8 by method of divisible by 8. Understand? Okay. Now let's start divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. If the sum of all digits of a given number is divisible by 9, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 9. If the sum of the digit of a number is divisible by divisible by 9, then the given number is also divisible by 9. Is also divisible by 9. Dear students, listen carefully. If the sum of all digit of a given number is divisible by 9, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 9. Here We take an example. 5436. It means that 5436. 5436 is divisible by 9. How? Yes. If the sum of the given digit is divisible by 9, then we can say that 5436 is divisible by 9. Now let's we check here. Given that 5436, firstly we arrange all digits for adding. We add all digit of given number. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. Yes. 12 plus 6 is 18. It means that after adding these we get 18. Here we check 18 is divisible by 9. Yes, because if we multiply 9 times 2, then we get 9 to the, yes, 18. 9 to the 18. If we multiply 9 times 2, then we get 9 to the 18. It means that 18 is divisible by 9. 9 to the 18. We get 2 as quotient. Then we can say that this number is divisible by 9. It means that 5436 is divisible by 9. Now we take second example. 8136. 8136. It means that 8136. 8136. Firstly, we add all given digit. We get 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is, yes, 18. 12 plus 6 is 18. Here we get 18. After adding these digit we get 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Yes, 18 is divisible by 9 because 9 to the 18. 9 to the 18. If we 18 divided by 9, then we get 2 as quotient. Therefore, we can say that 8136 is divisible by 9. If the sum of all digits is divisible by 9, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 9. Understand? You read this? Okay. Now let's start divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. If the last digit are unit digit or ones digit, of a number is divisible by of a number is 0 if the last digit are unit digit or ones digit of a number is 0, then the given number is divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. This is very simple. Rule. This is very simple rule. Firstly, we check unit digit place of a number. Here we take an example. 50. 50 is divisible by 10. Yes, according to this rule, in last digit or unit digit or ones digit of a number is 0, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. Therefore, 50 is divisible by 10. We take second example. 520. 520 is divisible by 10. Yes, because 0 is present here. 0 is present at ones place. Now we take next example. 3560. 3560 is divisible by 10. Yes, because 0 is present here. And 1000. 1000 is divisible by 10. Yes. Dear students, please learn all divisibility rule. Okay, learn all divisibility rule. Understand?